Which of the following has the highest gum-forming tendency in gosoline? A. Paraffins. B. Diolefins. C. Aromatics. D. Naphthenes. The correct answer is diolefins. Higher viscosity of lubricating oil usually signifies A. Lower Reid vapor pressure. B. Higher acid number. C. Higher flash point and fire point. D. Lower flash point and fire point. The correct answer is higher flash point and fire point. Aniline point test of an oil qualitatively indicates the content of an oil. A. Paraffin. B. Olefin. C. Aromatic. D. Naphthene. The correct answer is aromatic. Which of the following processes in oil refinery does not employ cracking? A. Coking. B. Visbreaking. C. Pyrolysis. D. None of these. The correct answer is none of these. Bottom product of atmospheric pressure crude oil distillation column is termed as A. Reduced crude. B. Heavy ends. C. Asphalt. D. Residuum. The correct answer is reduced crude. Which of the following is used as a solvent in deasphalting of petroleum products? A. Furfural. B. Propane. C. Methyl ethyl ketone. D. Liquid sulfur dioxide. The correct answer is propane. Penetration test determines the of the grease. A. Stiffness. B. Lubricating properties e.g. oiliness. C. Service temperature. D. Variation in viscosity with temperature. The correct answer is stiffness. The reservoir rock containing petroleum has A. Low porosity. B. High permeability. C. High porosity. D. Both B and C. The correct answer is both B and C. Fuel oil is subjected to visbreaking to reduce its A. Pour point. B. Viscosity. C. Pressure drop on pumping. D. All A, B and C. The correct answer is all A, B and C. Which is the most desirable component of a good quality kerosene? A. I. Paraffins. B. Aromatics. C. In paraffins. D. Naphthenes. The correct answer is N. Paraffins. In hydrofining catalytic desulphurisation process for sweetening of petroleum products, use of hydrogen. A. Enhances the desulphurisation process. B. Minimizes coke formation. C. Both A and B. D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A and B. The yield of straight-run LPG from crude oil is about weight %. A. 20-25. B. 1.5. C. 10-15. D. 0.10.2. The correct answer is 1.5. Deoiling is the process of removal of oil from wax. It is done by the process A. Solvent extraction. B. Sweating. C. Resettling. D. All ABC. The correct answer is all ABC. Smoke volatility index is equal to smoke point plus A. 0.42x distilled at 204 C. B. 5 mm. C. 0.84x distilled at 204 C. D. 10 mm. Approximately. The correct answer is 0.42x distilled at 204 C. Mercaptans are added to liquefied petroleum gas LPG to A. Reduce its cost. B. Narrow down its explosion limit. C. Assist in checking its leakage from cylinder. D. Increase its calorific value. The correct answer is assist in checking its leakage from cylinder. Absolute vapor pressure of petrofuels is found by Reid bomb, which is heated in water bath to 100 floor. In Reid apparatus, the ratio of the volume of air chamber to that of the liquid fuel chamber is A1, B2, C3, D. 4. The correct answer is 4. Doctor's solution used for sweetening of petroleum products is A. Sodium plumbite, B. Sodium sulfite, C. Sodium thiosulfate, D. Lead sulfate. The correct answer is sodium plumbite. Smoke point of kerosene expresses its A. Burning characteristics, B. Luminosity characteristics, C. Aromatic content directly, D. Lamp wick wetting characteristics. The correct answer is burning characteristics. The characterization factor of a crude oil is calculated as 12.5. It means that it is A. paraffinic, B. naphthenic, C. intermediate, D. none of these. The correct answer is paraffinic. Which of the following has the highest octane number? A. aromatics, B. paraffins, C. naphthenes, D. olefins. The correct answer is aromatics. Choose the correct statement. A. Octane number of octane is 0. B. Octane number of paraffins increases with increasing number of carbon atoms. C. Branched chain paraffins have higher octane number than straight chain paraffins with same number of carbon atoms. D. The aromatics have lower octane number than naphthenes with same number of carbon atoms. The correct answer is branched chain paraffins have higher octane number than straight chain paraffins with same number of carbon atoms. Which is the most effective catalyst used in catalytic cracking of petroleum products? A. Iron oxide, B. nickel, C. vanadium pentoxide, D. zeolite. The correct answer is zeolite. Maximum use of petroleum coke is in A. adsorption refining operation, B. fuel gas manufacture, C. carbon electrode manufacture, D. iron ore reduction. The correct answer is carbon electrode manufacture. Carbon-hydrogen ratio by weight is maximum out of following for A. gasoline, B. kerosene, C. light gas oil, D. heavy fuel oil. The correct answer is gasoline. The catalytic cracking of heavier petroleum fraction is done to produce mainly A. gasoline, B. asphalt, C. diesel oil, D. tar. The correct answer is diesel oil. Catalyst used in the catalytic cracking is A. silica alumina, B. silica gel, C. vanadium pentoxide, D. nickel. The correct answer is silica alumina. Specific gravity of a petroleum product gives an indication of its A. degree of refinement, B. hydrocarbon content type aromatic or paraffinic, C. ease of atomization, D. sulfur content. The correct answer is hydrocarbon content type aromatic or paraffinic. Pick out the wrong statement. A. aromatics have higher specific gravity than paraffins. B. gross calorific value GCV of petrofuels is equal to 12400, 21002. Where is the specific gravity of the fuel at 15.5 C? C. Heavier petrofuels have higher GCV on weight basis I equal kg but lower GCV on volume basis I equal liter. D. Higher specific gravity of petrofuels means higher CH ratio. The correct answer is heavier petrofuels have higher GCV on weight basis I equal kg but lower GCV on volume basis I equal liter. The doctor's solution comprises of sodium plumbite in A. alcohol, B. water, C. aqueous caustic soda, D. soda ash. The correct answer is aqueous caustic soda. Liquefied petroleum gas LPG used for the household cooking comprises mainly of A. propane butane, B. butane ethane, C. methane ethane, D. Methane carbon monoxide. The correct answer is propane-butane. The most commonly used feedstock for the reforming reactor is A. Heavy fuel oil, B. Residuum, C. Straight-run gasoline, D. Casing head gasoline. The correct answer is straight-run gasoline. Which of the following hydrocarbons of same carbon atoms has minimum smoking tendency? A. Paraffins, B. Naphthalene, C. Aromatics, D. Isoparaffins. The correct answer is paraffins. Petroleum is believed to have originated from sources A. Vegetable, B. Animal, C. Both A and B, D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A and B. Which of the following has the lowest flash point of all? A. Diesel, B. Kerosene, C. Petrol, D. Furnace oil. The correct answer is petrol. Certain number of high-speed diesel must be A. 30, B. 45, C. 75, D. 95. The correct answer is 45. LSHS is a type of furnace oil which A. is more viscous than high viscosity furnace oil HVFO. B. stands for low sulfur heavy stock. C. is an ideal fuel for metallurgical furnaces due to its lower sulfur content. 1. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Hydrofining is the most recent and effective method for the A. removal of sulfur, B. improvement of smoke point, C. reduction of breathing loss, D. improvement of viscosity index. The correct answer is removal of sulfur. Isomerization converts the taut paraffins A. paraffins, B. olefins, C. naphthenes, D. none of these. The correct answer is paraffins. Straight-run petrol as compared to methyl ethyl alcohol has A. lower calorific value, B. lower octane number, C. higher specific gravity, D. higher ignition temperature. The correct answer is lower octane number. Crude oil is subjected to vacuum distillation in the last stage because A. high boiling point products like heavy fuel oil lubricating oils are heat sensitive and may decompose. B. lighter low boiling products are prone to thermal decomposition. C. high purity products can be obtained thereby. D. none of these. The correct answer is high boiling point products like heavy fuel oil lubricating oils are heat sensitive and may decompose. Operating temperature and pressure in catalytic reforming is about A. 15 kgfcm to 200 C, B. 1545 kgfcm to 400 and 5550 C, C. 5075 kgfcm to 600 800 C, D. 510 kgfcm to 100 and 250 C. The correct answer is 1545 kgfcm to 400 and 5550 C. With increase in density, the viscosity of petroleum products A. increases, B. decreases, C. remains same, D. either A or B. The correct answer is increases. Detergent is added as an additive in engine lubricating oil to A. reduce deposit formation, B. keep contaminants in suspension, C. increase oxidation stability, D. prevent rusting. The correct answer is reduce deposit formation. Removal of light fractions from crude oil is called its A. sweetening, B. dehydration, C. stabilization, D. visbreaking. The correct answer is stabilization. Pick out the wrong statement. A. lower boiling paraffins have higher octane number than higher paraffins. B. Dehydrogenation of naphthalene to aromatics is a desirable reaction in reforming process. C. The most ideal feedstock for thermal reforming is dearomatized kerosene. D. Catalyst used in catalytic reforming is platinum on silica alumina base. The correct answer is the most ideal feedstock for thermal reforming is dearomatized kerosene. 95 by volume of LPG at 760 mm Hg pressure will evaporate at C. A2. B40. C30. D55. The correct answer is 2. A petroleum well is called dry if it contains A. Very little oil. B. No natural gas. C. Only natural gas. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is only natural gas. Aniline point is the A. Characteristic property of diesel lubricating oils. B. Measure of aromatic content of oil. C. Both A and B. D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A and B. Pressure maintained in the high-pressure primary tower of a 3-stage crude oil distillation system is about kgcm2. A 1.5. B3. C6. D12. The correct answer is 3. Petroleum. A is optically active. B constitutes mainly of olefins. C does not contain asphalt. D does not contain aromatics. The correct answer is optically active.